Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Power the Wisdom Share Smart Cloud TV and your phone and join the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure the TV is in Smart Cloud mode. This allows discovery. On the phone, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then install and open the Wisdom Share app. Allow the app's required permissions for location and local network access so discovery works. Once done, the app can scan and find the TV, so proceed to select it in the app. You'll now pair the devices through the app. In Wisdom Share, scan and pick the TV name that matches the set-top display. A pairing code appears on the TV. Compare it with the phone and accept on both sides. This authorizes a secure connection. Then choose your mode, screen mirroring to mirror the entire phone, or media cast to stream files. Make sure to set resolution and audio output in the app if prompts appear, and wait for the connection confirmation before sending content. You finish by initiating playback or mirroring. Confirm that video and audio are synchronized and responsive. If something goes wrong, first reboot the router, then the TV, then the phone, and wait 30 seconds between reboots before retrying the pairing. Make sure both TV firmware and the Wisdom Share app are up to date, and if interference continues, try switching between 4 GHz and 5 GHz or temporarily using a phone hotspot. This usually resolves discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.